Hi, this is Bill with Dine Vegas. It is August of 2022, and I'm located outside room 1143 in the Grand Tower here in the Downtown Grand Hotel. The Downtown Grand is in downtown Las Vegas, about a block off the Fremont Street Experience, and I want to give you a look around my room real quick. One of the great things about staying downtown is that you can get really fantastic rooms at pretty low prices. As I come into the room, here, let me show you exactly the room type I have, which is located on my key card. So this is in the Grand Tower. One of the things to know is that there are actually 3 towers here at the hotel. This one is the one which is furthest from the casino floor, so it takes a little bit of walking to get to, but it's not bad. Also, the room is incredibly nicely presented and done. So going back towards the front door, you have the dual vanities. Now, you have a space here, which is probably not used as well as it might be, but whatever. You could use it as a make-ready space. You have a tub. And a lot of hotels in Vegas are increasingly going to a system where they only have a shower, so I really kind of appreciate that, particularly if it's been a rough night in Vegas. Now, obviously, you can use it as a shower and then a pretty standard toilet setup. So the bathroom is nice, particularly relative to the price I paid. I think I paid something like $63 for this night. It was pretty low. Now, going back into the main part of the room, you've got a luggage storage area. And you can see that in this particular room, it's big and nice and open. Now, I've got a corner room, and that helps a whole lot. But yeah, it's a huge room, and it looks nice, right? Like, it feels like a nice place to stay. Instead of a separate closet, you've got this dresser space, which obviously includes a safe, plenty of space to hang your things. You've got a real nice work desk, and some water bottles are included. Now, one of the things that I noticed is that there's not a coffee maker in this room, and that is disappointing because I cannot tell you how many times I've woken up in Vegas and a cup of coffee would have saved my life. The other thing that I'm noticing about this workspace, while it's a great place to sit and do work, I'm not seeing any convenient power plugs. Yeah, you'd have to kind of reach around underneath to get to those. So that might be a little bit of a limit. Now, there are obviously power plugs in this room. There are some there. There are power plugs on both sides of the bed. So you've got places to plug in your devices, but it's not conveniently located next to the workstation. Now, one of the things that I like about this hotel is if you want to access all the fun of Fremont Street, it's right there, but you don't get the noise. You can see the Fremont Street Experience right there. It is a block away. It is not hard to get to. You can have the fun in minutes, but that noise isn't going to bother me here, and I think that is an amazing feature of this hotel. In a minute, I'm going to go down to the pool deck, and obviously I will take a video there and let you know what the pool deck is like. It's a cool day, particularly for the middle of the afternoon in August, but you can see they've got the misters going on down there, and pool admission is included. I'll obviously have to check out the bar, which is attached to it. Now, one of the other nice things about this hotel, I had lunch at the Triple George Steakhouse downstairs, and I paid $33 for a plate, which was a really nice New York strip, along with the potatoes and the vegetables. I can't think of any other place in Vegas where a good steak comes for $33, and certainly not with the side orders included. I checked into my room using the electronic kiosk system. It is now about 2:32. I was able to get in the room about 2:10. I suspect I could have gotten in the room a little sooner if I would have used one of the human agents, but it was nice to be able to use that and avoid the lines. Again, trying to give you a sense of the sweep of the space. Let me sit down on the bed real quick. So that is an incredibly soft mattress, and I'm looking forward to crashing into this later on. So again, it is August of 2022, and I've got to get my fat butt up off the bed, but it is August of 2022. I'm in the Downtown Grand, and I'm in the Grand Tower. There are 3 different towers here, and it makes a difference which one that you book. I'm in a Premium King non-smoking room, and specifically, I wound up in a corner room. It is huge, it is spacious, it is absolutely worth the price. The only 2 things that I notice about the room that I wish were a little bit different is that there's no coffee maker, and there's not a convenient place to plug in your stuff right by the workspace. That said, relative to what I paid for this room, there's absolutely no way I can complain. I've already enjoyed my time at the restaurants here and at the bar service here, as well as playing down in the casino floor. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, I would really appreciate your support for the channel by you hitting like and subscribe. I'd also love to answer your questions. Put those in the comment section down below. Make any comments you have about staying downtown or your favorite places to stay in Vegas or just what you think about the downtown Grand. Thanks so much and happy travels.